Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Ada with you again today. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for subscribing. If today is your first time of visiting my channel, you are very welcome. Um Please don't forget to hit the red subscribe button to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so as to get my videos as soon as I upload. So guys, I'm super excited today to share with you about a natural remedy that will glow your skin from the inside, that will give you that instant glow from the inside. All right, so I'll be sharing with you about just one ingredient, that will do this great and amazing job, and you'll be so happy with your skin. So this one ingredient is coconut water. Yes, coconut water, not the milk, not the meat. It's the water. Yes, the coconut water. All right. Coconut water is rich in nutrients and vitamins. It has vitamin C, which helps in the formation of collagen, and also contains B complex vitamins. All right, it contains vitamin B complex. It promotes hydration, which equally promotes skin glow from inside out. So it also fights acne because it acts as an antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory. It also reduces excess oil on the skin, especially for those that have oily skin. So if you have oily skin, this is a perfect remedy, to oily skin. And coconut water, it has anti-aging properties, that reduces skin aging. It also rejuvenates the skin, and gives a youthful glow. So it has amazing properties, that could give you that um glowing skin naturally. And not just naturally, it does the job instantly, just by taking a cup of coconut water. you know your skin will tell you the truth. All right, your skin will tell you the truth. um it has amazing. I don't even know how to explain it. So it does a great job. Yes, it's just the water. You had me right. Just the water, and you're good to go. And you begin to testify about, your skin. It will look youthful. Your skin will, have a youthful glow. I know you like that and you love that. And this is boosts, your skin, tone your skin. And like I said, it will give you that youthful glow. So just coconut water, will do that job, not the milk. All right, because and another thing is that it's very sweet. All right, coconut water is as sweet as anything sweet you can think of. So you will not start, you will not start giving yourself, will I say, work, by taking something that, that doesn't have a pleasant taste. So the super thing about this remedy is that it's sweet. Yes, it's sweet. So sweet. And I mean sweet, it's super sweet. So imagine, taking sweet things and, getting the results, within a limited space of time. Isn't that great? Yes, it's great. It's so great. So the first thing we'll be doing is to break open the coconut to get the water. We're going to use a really heavy thing to, break open the coconut, and we're going to get the water. Yes, just the water. So this is it. Hope you guys are seeing it. just to get the water. You can enjoy the meat later. Wow, so guys, this is the water, right? This is the water that does that super wonder job. So this is it. So just a cup, on a daily basis, will do the job. Just take a cup of this, all right? And that is it. It will glow your skin instantly. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. See you in my next video. Bye.